Aye vatsongo va ka hina i manyanga dzidokomisa so loko ri wa subscriber ni kombela subscriber so lava nga na problem na this angle ni yi tirhisaku kombela ku rivaleliwa le kaya and a ku na munhu un'wanyana wa ku ni pfuna hi ku ni teka hi le ndzhaku ku mi tsundzuxa hi ti 24 ta September ti nga ta vhiki leriwani wa vutlhanu na event at the Rest Lodge n'wana ya An'wetsheve a hi hlanganeni kona hi ya tsema lembe an album ya president ya huma hi ti 23 but anyways a ni endlelangi swona sweswo ni lava ku komba nkoka wa kuma vanhu lava tivaka marketing to help you with marketing. Se a ni tshame hansi ni langusa issue leyi ya Prince na Shongi yi nga humelela namuntlha yi nga ku humeleleni lava nga swi tivi ku humelela yini can go ka website ya vinyi va internet.co.za. I think it's well detailed there, the screenshots hinkwato kona. So ni langutise ti screenshots letiya ni notice ku okay the screenshots they were taken from phone ya the alleged girlfriend. N'wina mi nga swi tivi ku Prince Rangani is alleged to have cheated ka Shongi, and then Shongi took it to Facebook a ya kombisa ku yena u khongela miyerile i swi kumile ku Prince i teka mali ya nyika swihlangi ku a va bukile na swin'wana na swin'wana. Se lexi nga hlamarisa hi timhaka ta ku ti-photo letiya ti nga postiwa ta ti-screenshots ta from Shongi leti ti nga postiwa hi Shongi ti va ti kha ti huma aka foni ya luwa nhwanyana lava n'wi tivaku va n'wi recognize from photos very i Khanyisa Siweya wa kusuka aka Nghobe I think Facebook i Khanyisa Kenneth or whatsoever Kath or whatsoever Siweya. So ti photo letiya ti nga postiwa hi Shongi ta conversation ti huma ka luwa nhwanyana. That's the first red flag. Ivi ku va na screenshot xa mali leyi a yi kha yi huma ka account ya Prince Rangani, and it's alleged ku yi ya ka nhwanyana luya va nge i Khanyisa wa ka Siweya. Ti va ti kha ti huma ka foni ya Prince Rangani. So the question is ni vona Rangani va ri quiet the whole day. If this is true, where is Prince Rangani? And when anga posting nchumu, hasn't replied to anything, and hasn't been online in any of his social network platforms. Is there a possibility ya ku loko ku ri swilo leswiya hi swona swilo ku Shongi Rangani i khomi foni ya Prince a tlhava na foni ya Khanyisa? That's why she's posting the screenshots from that conversations from phone ya Khanyisa. Va posta timhaka ta ti transactions ta mali from phone ya Rangani. So if this has to be true, it means la nga kona Shongi ina tifoni timbirhi, and there's a possibility ya ku anga na Rangani, because till now as I post this video a nge se susa that post. That's like if it's true and if it's not a marketing strategy, swi vula ku wa ha ri na foni ya Prince na foni ya Khanyisa, and there's a possibility ya ku Khanyisa na Prince lava nga ko va swin'we. So if it's true, swi la ku ta va na drama spare i ta kuma studio xi ka Cash Crusaders. But anyway mo ni nghena ka the real issue ya ku ni twa nga ku if it's a marketing strategy, this thing is staged. Ni vona van'wana va postiwa ku nhwanyana luya kazi wa Shongi, it was staged to push album ya Shongi. So if it was staged to push album ya Shongi, you were being marketing, and the shy langa ro penga each and every day. Look, lava marketing, and you want to pay help with marketing. We give you packages, and the packages lady atitintsana ku hina ku endlela marketing. If you're a brand, tisa mali based on your budget, you could combat how do you do it. One thing that I have to upload genge ya Mangalas, loko you fake that accident ya Nomondo Roger, what they did it was a statement, and they didn't forget to mention the real reason why when they released that statement. Jaku Nomondo Roger she had an accident, she's still in hospital and stuff like that. One thing that they didn't forget to mention i ku risimu leriya ri nga tirhiwa leri a va fakela rona accident, the reason why they pulled that publicity stunt. Risimu leriya ri nga rekhodiwa hi Nisina Nomondo Roach, swi nga endla hi nga ha swi koti ku ri humesa hi mhaka ku Nomonde a nga le ka stage xa right. So in all that publicity stunt, there were two aspects. A nga kahle Nomonde and swi nga endla hi nga ha ri humesi hi mhaka ku a nga u le xibedhlele. So loko se va ya vuya va ku hayi se wa antswa, vanhu va ze va lava ku tiva ku risimu leri va ku va ta ri humesa hi rihi. That's why it did rounds, ma swi vona. So here ka incident ya Shongi na Prince na Khanyisa, I don't see any signs of a good publicity stance. Why? Firstly, handle ka loko ku ri ku na risimu ka album ni nga ri tiviku ra Shongi Rhangani ku nga ni khongela ni miyerile or vulavula ku hi swigangu swi nyikiwaku mali. What is this? If there's no song or there's no album, there's not a title of an album, uba aka deal na opinion wa post swilo on Facebook, it's fine. We deal differently with pain. But then if it's a marketing strategy, it's bad. It's one of the worst marketing strategies that I've seen. It will do more harm than good. Because first of all, this is the first time the Warner Prince Rhangani being dragged ka gang, and it's gonna be very hard for him to make a comeback. No one is gonna believe it's a publicity stunt. No one. Maranda no one. Labanga slandelelisa ke amahlweni from here. But us believe mara lava bongulo who had no interest ka Rhangani na Shongi and caught interest ku ya hi scandal lexa benge hi swilandzelelisi loko se swi hola after tomorrow Mdlwane be no humesa album ku va na war and stuff like that. People will forget ku there was an incident ya Shongi na Prince where there was cheating involved. Ivi se va concentrate ka swin'wanyana, ivi loko se va ya vuya va ku it was a publicity stunt, who will believe it? And even if swi tshembisa damage leyi nga ta va yi endliwini hi those statements yi nge controleki, yi nge manageki. If ya manageka yi ta va ku ri minimal management, yi nge manageki. So it's very important to get people who understand the media or people who understand how this game works when trying to pull stunts. What kind of a stunt do I pull? Which one? Yitili ti nga ta vavisa brand ya mina u tlula ku yi lunghisa. After this, so I know like people one. If it's a publicity stunt, then it's a bad one. Baritin. But if it's really true, I have nothing to say about it because Shamina, it's review music, and I should understand kum na bona Prince na Shongi or the other guy. Even deal differently with issues, and I believe unless if your relationship is still new, there's no perfect relationship. You have had your own ups and downs and you have dealt with them your own way. So to deal with them in their own way. If they want to deal with them in public, let them do it. If it's gonna make them feel better, let them do it. So labangata need a promotion ya prop. Midan kumbaka 064 968 9940 064 968 9940. I think the next video is at the reviews that album, and I think I'm gonna do them one song. Resume. Then share the thoughts because I think I cannot album to that so I'm gonna dedicate my energy in that project. So look at the subscribe and go below subscribe. Tiphina mashaka even nakatsonga tsonga tiphina ya tsonga ya hambana na swa swicele ayi vatsonga va ka hina i manyanga zidapamisa tanku.